Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in muscle cells, playing a key role in energy production. Supplementing with creatine can significantly boost your athletic performance, increasing strength and power. We'll cover the most effective ways to incorporate it into your routine, ensuring you get the maximum benefits safely and efficiently. Let's talk about how much creatine to take. You can start with a loading phase of 20 grams daily for about 5 to 7 days to quickly saturate your muscles. After that, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day is usually sufficient. Consistency is key, so take it regularly, whether it's before or after your workout, or even on rest days. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, imagine coming home to a spotless floor after your workout. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mixing creatine is simple. Just add your dose to water, juice, or your favorite protein shake. Make sure it's fully dissolved before drinking to prevent any stomach upset. Staying well hydrated is also crucial when supplementing with creatine, so remember to drink plenty of water throughout your day to support its effectiveness and your overall health. Creatine is widely studied and considered safe for most healthy adults. While some people might experience minor side effects like slight stomach upset or temporary water retention, these are usually mild. If you have any pre-existing kidney conditions or other significant health concerns, it's always best to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.